Next topic is going to be promise chaining. So when we need to run multiple asynchronous tasks sequentially, this multiple promises can be chained one with another. So how is it possible? A promise will be there, then block of that promise will return a new promise. Again, that new promise will have a then block. That then block can have another new promise that will return another new promise, and then so you can keep on chaining promises on the then block, and this is how we can create promise chaining. We can see an example for this. We have a promise here, and that promise have then block. We will just rewrite this code. So this then block of the first promise have to return a new promise. New promise of so we are not going to handle reject everything. For understanding purpose, we will just create a default promise with resolve alone with very basic lines of code. Second task is done. So after this then block, this promise will have another then block. And that will get a result. Just to avoid confusion, we will remove this finally. This is first promise. Then block of that promise will have a new promise, and that new promise will have another then block. We have added a console log. We'll just try running this code. So then block of first promise, then block of second task. So we have the promise chaining executed. In case if you want to print the second task is done, you can just print the next result also, no problem. See, then block of first promise, second task is done. I mean, the returned result is printed, and then last console statement is printed. So we have chained multiple promises inside another promise using promise chaining concept.